Hey, you in Orange County, California?
Yeah.
Specifically Irvine?
Yeah.
Well, we're gonna be at the Irvine Improv, August 3rd. Link to buy tickets in the description box.
8 p.m. Making all kinds of gains.
All kinds.
It's clean. Hey man, the sun's on you. Ain't that shit frying your damn whole right side? You look hot as fuck over there. Look, I'm in the shade. Go over there, man. Go somewhere else, man. Go park over there, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, go park over there, man. I got too much sunlight on me. Yeah. It's washing me out on the camera. Yeah. It's not good production value. Well, I see what I can do. Fuck you gonna do? Watch this shit. You gonna hit some shit, bitch? I'm looking at the Oh, see? Take the camera and put it on that. See? I know what I'm doing here. That damn rear view camera action right there. See that? See that? We ain't gonna hit nothing. See what I'm saying? Keeps you from snapping some shit up, man. Yeah. I'm gonna pull right here in this shade, up under this oak tree. What the fuck you slid the camera down for, bitch? There you go, right there, man. Ain't that better? Yeah, it's clean, man. It's clean. Some more. Hey, man, what we eating today? I got 7-Eleven. It's thumbnail time, man. Pizza from 7-Eleven. Hey, man. I wonder why, like Burger King and McDonald's and all these places, why they don't start thumbnail time, man. Take it out the box, man. Take it out the box. No, I won't take it out. Now, it looks pleasing to the eye. Looks very pleasing. Look like it might be good. What do you think? This is exactly what I expected. It's like one of those frozen pizzas you take out the box and you put in the oven. It ain't bad. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. But 99% of the pizza I've eaten, maybe not that high, maybe 94% of all the pizza I've ever eaten, I like that. That ain't saying much, bitch. I just love pizza. Washing it down with one of them core organic drinks. Peach and mango, man. It's alright, man. It's crunchy as hell. Got a good crunch to it, man. Yeah. Probably because it's been sitting on that damn light all fucking day. It's probably a couple days old. That's how you get that good crunch. Nah, this don't look like a couple days old. This look like about a day and a half old. Yeah, when you're eating pizza, shouldn't sound like you're eating fucking crackers. Good point. But when you're eating something with a good crunch to it, makes it more, I don't know, more flavor. Should have went over there, man. To Etna's Latin food. We'll do that some other time. We'll do that some other time. You know what's There's a dude now on his lunch break. Dude had on a suit and everything. So what was he getting to eat? A couple hot dogs, right?
Who gives a fuck?
I'm just saying. It looked weird. Who the fuck dressed up in a goddamn suit goes in a 7-Eleven and gets a couple hot dogs?
That is suspicious. Might be a fucking terrorist.
Shut up.
I will give this pizza
7-Eleven, fresh to go, served hot and tasty. Box clean though. I actually like this better.
Yeah, the cool water.
This damn peach mango. This is what you call a clean beverage.
It's clean. It goes down smooth with no aftertaste. That's some good clean shit.
Filtered water, organic erythritol.
The fuck is that?
That don't sound organic.
Is that
to
some
me.
type of sugar?
I don't know.
It's organic, so it must be good for you.
Organic coconut water concentrate, citric acid, organic enzyme modified stevia extract, organic vegetable juice, organic white tea solids, organic caramel color, organic peach juice concentrate, natural peach mango flavor with other natural flavors, organic macquarie, Aristino chinesia, whatever the fuck that is, berry juice powder, certified organic.
I wouldn't eat that shit again, though.
Of course not. If I'm gonna eat a pizza,
I got all these fucking other options. I wouldn't go to 7-Eleven and get pizza. It's just my personal opinion.
Yeah. Only time you should be going to 7-Eleven to get pizza is you in the middle of fucking nowhere. There's no other pizza places,
Yeah.
right?
Or there's a fucking riot going on.
And the nearest pizza place is 2 hours away. If it's an hour and 30 minutes away, you need to fucking go there and not go there.
So we pretty much telling you, you should never eat this fucking pizza.
I ain't say all that.
I'm not eating it ever again.
I ain't either.
You can go in the grocery store and buy better pizza than that. Frozen.
Eat whatever the fuck you want to eat.
We making all kinds of games.